Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. Today we will continue our tutorial by drawing the part 13. First of all, let's open SolidWorks. Like usual, here the dimensions are in millimeter. Right-click, front plane, another time, normal to, then sketch. This is our part 13, top view and side view. Let's start by drawing the top view. Here we have a circle of diameter 78 millimeter. Smart dimension. I type 78. We have two tangent line like this. And the circle here, two circles. Let's draw these tangent lines. Random two random lines. This line contour the circle tangent, and this line also control this circle also tangent. We have here the circle distance 40 millimeter from the center line horizontal, right-click select. Like we see here, its diameter is 12 millimeter, and number three, we have three circles, 1, 2, and 3. millimeter, select. Distance is 40 millimeter from the center. Okay. And then we have the big circle, radius 15. The same center, right-click select, radius 15, so its diameter 30. And these two lines are tangent to these two circles. I click on this line, control this circle, tangent, this line also, control this circle and tangent, click on OK, then do the trim here. Okay, and drag this to the center. Now it's fully defined. We can draw now the other two circles of diameter 12. Draw two random circles. You can click on this circle, control this one, equal. This circle, control this one, also equal. They are located on the circle with the same center here and with diameter or radius 28 millimeter. This is the center of the circle. Radius 28, so diameter it's a 28 times 2. And click on it for construction. Drag this circle to be coincident with this circle. Drag the center of the circle also to be coincident. Now let's add two center line from the center to the center, and here also from the center to the center. We have here the degree is 45 degree between the vertical and this center line. So I draw a center line like this. Relation here, smart dimension, and type here 45 degree. And here also we can click on this line. Instead of doing a center line, we can click on this X here, or better to do the center line also. Vertical, smart dimension, also 45 degree. Perfect. Now it's fully defined. We can extrude it. We have extrude 20 millimeter to the top. Feature extrude. See, it automatically coat this surface without these circles. So here I have obtained these circles as cut. Here we have 20 millimeter. Then click on yes. Click on save. This is our part 13. Perfect. Now let's draw this circle of diameter 30 millimeter and of height 65. This circle, this is the center. Vertically, because it's located on the center of this circle, the same center. 30 millimeter. Feature extrude boss to the top, extrude 65 millimeter. Left click, right click, normal tool in order to do the cut, the inner circle with diameter 20 millimeter and cut all the surface and all the parts with diameter 20 millimeter. Sketch. Put the cursor of the mouse on the edge of the circle in order to see where is the center. Right click, select. And here the diameter is 20. Smart dimension 20. Now, okay. Feature extrude cut. Drag it to the below by dragging the arrow here, or you can do through wall. The same concept. And it has cut it, or like see here. Click on save. Now let's do this rectangle cut there. It's located here. We can create a plane or have the top plane who is in the mid of the part. Right click show. Right click normal to, another time normal to, then click on sketch, center rectangle, show a random rectangle, right click select, hide the plane here for a better vision. Put the dimensions here 12 by 18. Okay, and it's located in the center here, the circle. So center line. Here is the center, and here also the other center, and add relation vertical. Now we have the distance is 30 millimeters from the top here. Smart dimension, 30 millimeters. Perfect. Now it's fully defined because we have added all the dimensions. Now we can extrude cut. It's better to do mid-plane extrude, feature extrude cut. Then instead of line, mid-plane, and we can click on yes because it has cut it all this surface. That's it. Save. Now let's draw the other part here. The other plane here. Okay, we can start by drawing this cut there, this extrude there. We can create a plane 10 millimeters from the top and do the circle and then do the extrude. Left click on this circle, right click normal to plane, then click on flip offset and choose here 10 millimeter. Oh, perfect. Right click normal to. Now let's draw the sketch. It's all visible in the top view. We have two line, random line like this. We can hide the plane here for a better vision. These two lines control this is tangent, and this line control this circle tangent. We have a degree of 12 degrees from the center line, like mentioned here. We draw another center line horizontal from the center. Smart dimension here 12. And here also 12. This circle or arc of circle is distant 90 millimeters from the center. So here we have 90 millimeters, and we have the circle with diameter here, radius 40, so diameter 80. Okay. We can drag this to make it trim. The inner circle radius 30. This is the inner circle. Radius 30 or 60 millimeter diameter. Now we can do the trim. And the trim there. Normal to. We can close the sketch here by doing click on this circle and click on convert entities and do the trim there also. Perfect. Now we can do the extrude. So here it's better to remove this circle. No need for it for now. Then you draw it after. because our first step is just do this part. So we can do the extrude here of 10 millimeter. Feature extrude boss, change the direction and type here 10 and then click on yes and click on OK. We can see if the height is 10 millimeter by clicking on evaluate, measure this surface and this surface. Perfect, so it's visible here as 10 millimeter in purple. Click on save. Let's continue. Right click, normal tool. Now we should draw this part there. So another time sketch, circle, radius 40. So its diameter, it's 80. Radius 30. So diameter is 60. And it's half circle. So here we should cut it and to have the half circle. So choose midpoint line, a vertical line like this, and do the trim here and the trim there. Now let's add relation from the center to this edge here of point. It's vertical. Perfect. So now it's fully defined. We can rotate it here. So let's add or do the extrude here. Feature extrude. We have two directions, direction 1 and direction 2. For direction 1, the height of direction 1 is 10 millimeter from this surface. So 10 millimeter from this surface. So here it's correct 10. From the bottom surface, we have also 10 millimeter because it's 30 minus 10 minus 10. So it's 30 minus 20. So it's 10 millimeter from the bottom. 10 millimeter from the bottom. So here it's 20 millimeter from this surface. That's it. Then click on OK for direction 2 and direction 1. Click on save. Now let's do this cut here. Okay, so here we have this cut like this, 16 millimeter. How to do it? Sketch. You can draw two random line horizontal like this and like this. And do here convert entities in order to close it, and here also convert entities and draw here also a center line horizontal. Smart dimension here is 16 millimeter distance between the two lines, so it's 8 by 8. So here it's 8. Here also we have 8. Now let's do the trim. Here and here also. Close the sketch. Perfect. Now our sketch is fully defined and fully closed. Now we can do the cut. and do the cut. So here feature extrude cut and do the cut. The cut here is 6 millimeter from the top. So here choose 60 millimeter. That's it. Now let's draw the final part. This one, in order to close the part. This sketch is from the mid plane of the part, who is the top plane, like we see here. Right click normal to, another time normal to, then right click on show, then click on sketch, then left click. We draw first of all this line to this edge, to this second edge here, or another random line horizontal. Can make it long. Can remove or hide this plane for a better vision. Click on this line here, convert. This line also convert. And this line also convert. You can do the trim in order to close the sketch. Perfect. This contour is fully defined and fully closed. Now it's ready to be extruded. We should extrude it 10 millimeter as visible here. This is the wall there, the center line and this center line. We should extrude it 10 millimeter from the mid plane. Feature, extrude 10 millimeter, not a blind, because I don't want it to be just in one direction. I want it to be in both directions. So here it's mid plane, 10 millimeter, then click on OK. So merge result, here we remove merge result in order to remove the error. This is it. To have it fully closed, we can see here that's a gap. To be fully closed, left click on this surface of this rectangle, sketch, convert entities, feature, extrude boss, up to surface, and choose this surface. So here, remove merge result in order to remove the error. This is it. Save. This is our part 13 as visible here. Let's check if we have missed anything. Perfect. We have drawn everything. Now let's add the color. Click on part 13, this circle, and for example, you can add the green color. It's good. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, SolidWorks for Beginners part 13. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.